everyone, good morning. Today our group will present a study entitled Strategies of the Banten Provincial Government to Improve Regional Expenditure Quality. We are from Group 4, Class A, morning class. Our group members are Edah Melia, Risma Amalia, Clarasya Utami Maharani, and Nursadi Jamil.
Fiscal decentralization in Indonesia has given local government greater authority to manage public finance and set their own development priority because of this system. Regional expenditure because a key instrument to support infrastructure development, improve public service, and drive economic growth. So, local government are expected to allocate their budget efficiently and efficiently to reach sustainable development goals. In recent years, the quality of regional expenditure has become a major marker in public administration. We measure expenditure quality not just by budget absorption rate, but also by efficiency, transparency, accountability, and its contribution to public welfare. Albert Banten Provincial has shown relatively sound financial performance. Its expenditure structure is still dominated by operational spending, while capital expenditure contributes to debt link. This situation raises concern about the sustainability of regional development and how effective budget allocation is in meeting long-term public research gap. Most previous study focus on budget absorption and financial performance. However, limited studies extend strategy for improving expenditure quality, particularly in Banten province. This study addressed that gap by analyzing stem-paid allocation, governance, and improvement strategies. Research objective. The objective of this study are quality. First, to analyze the quality of regional expenditure in Banten province. Second, to identify challenges in regional budget management. And third, to examine strategy for improving expenditure quality. Methodology. This study implement a distributed qualitative approach. Data were collection toward interview and literacy review. Primary data were obtained from BPKAD of Banten province, while secondary data were data from government document, financial report, regional and academic journals.
This table shows the trend of regional expenditure in Banten province from 2022 to 2024. Overall, regional expenditure increased significantly from around 8 trillion rupiahs in 2022 to more than 8 trillion rupiahs in 2024. In the increase was mainly driven by operational expenditure. During this period, operational spending increased from around 6 trillion rupiahs to more than 7 trillion rupiahs. In contrast, capital expenditure declined from around on and a half trillion rupiahs to just above 1 trillion rupiahs. Test finding indicate that budget allocation was more focused on operational needs to on development investment. As a result, the decline in capital expenditure may limit infrastructure development and affect long-term regional growth. Thus, a more balanced budget allocation is needed to support sustainable development in Banten Province.
SWOT analysis. The result of the SWOT analysis showed that the Banten provincial government has a number of strengths, including the availability of regulation adequate, human resource, and information technology support in regional financial management. However, there are still weaknesses in the form of suboptimal data integration and complication with procedure. On the other hand, optimization of regional own source review the development of government, digitalization, and screening public participation. Meanwhile, trash phrase include the potential for a decline in regional review and the risk of budget misallocation due to accurate data. SWOT analysis showed that Banten has very good reg- regulatory support, human resource, and information technology. However, there are still weaknesses in data integration, procedural complication, and limit regional fiscal space.
Okay, next in discussion, the findings indicate the quality of regional expenditure in Banten province is influenced by both expenditure allocation and governance effectiveness. Although the province has strengthened financial governance through digital planning and budgeting system, operational expenditure continues to dominate the budget structure, limiting fiscal space for capital investment. In addition, weak asset supervision and suboptimal local revenue mobilization may reduce expenditure effectiveness and accountability. Next conclusion. This study concludes that the main challenge in Banten Province regional expenditure management is the imbalance between operational and capital expenditure. Although financial governance has improved to digital budgeting system and accountability mechanism, the domains of operational expenditure may limit long-term development and public service improvement.